Here she is.
Yeah. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. I don't know what to thank you. Oh, it's wonderful. You are wonderful. I'm great.
Laura, been an honor.
Thank you.
All this is impromptu. We let doctors watch everything here because I want them to see not just the surgery, but every patient's reaction. And you're not even ordinary people. She is, by the way, a top and powerful and tough CEO. Right, Laura?
Yes.
These are not giggly people who just walked across the street. She's flown in a private jet for this. And I'm recording all this impromptu here. Real stuff for doctors to get inspired. Things can be done.
They need to be done. Everything that I see doesn't have the broken glass anymore. You know, I would blink and it was just like looking through broken glass. You know, and that was put back together. Do you know what I mean? But
Yes.
You could see all the cracks.
I call this, therefore, new carpet on broken tiles.
Yes, exactly.
So her cornea still has the irregularities and those wrinkles and stuff that I showed you in surgery, from our previous surgeries. But we have worked on that with refractive-based sculpting. Laura, it's an honor.
No, it's been an honor to work with you, my dear.